In this day and age, most of us know the benefits of keeping fit. Modern society has come to the point that we need to keep fit to stay alive. Our work normally does not involve hard physical labor. So, many of us lack exercise. The consequence of not getting enough exercise is frightening. On the mildest scale, we may simply grow fat. On a more ominous scale, we may develop all sorts of ailments that can kill us before we grow old. Before we get started, if like to discover how a young mum developed a 2-step hack and dominated her fight against weight loss, click the link in the description. So we exercise for our lives. There are various means by which we can get the exercise we need. If we live in the city and can afford it, there are fitness clubs and gymnasiums that can cater of our needs. They offer aerobic dancing, jazz dancing, weight training and other sorts of body torture guaranteed to make us sweat. For the poorer ones, there are other cheaper alternatives for keeping fit. Games like badminton, squash and tennis are popular with many who like a bit of competition in their exercise. Others play hockey, soccer and similar field games. Yet others engage in mild games of snooker or bowling. While the intensity of physical exertion differs in each game, they all do give a certain amount of exercise to the participants. Who can say how much exercise a person needs? It all depends on his physical conditions and his willingness to participate. By far the most popular form of keeping fit is jogging. It is also relatively cheap. All a jogger need is a good pair of running shoes, some decent and comfortable clothes, a track to run on and a desire to do something beneficial for his body. Thus we can see joggers in the lake gardens, fields and roads early in the morning and also in the evening. These people are of various shapes, sizes, ages and sexes. They dress in all sorts of outfits ranging from simple drab ones to flashes of color enough to distract other joggers. Nevertheless, all of them huff and puff their way along their chosen paths. Some jog rather quickly while others look like they are out more for a stroll than a run. Some fitter ones jog easily and smoothly while some obviously not so fit ones drag their tired feet one after another along the track. By merely looking at the face of a runner, one can tell if he is feeling all right or feeling tortured. Come organized runs like marathons and half marathons, we see virtually thousands of people running and walking along the route for prizes that most will not get. The point is not to win anything except the satisfaction of knowing one has completed the distance. That is an achievement by itself. 26 miles by car is a long enough journey. The same distance by foot is far longer and infinitely more tiring, if one can make it at all. Whatever means we employ to keep fit is up to us. In fact, we have the choice whether we want to keep fit or leave our bodies alone. The benefits of keeping fit are many provided we do not do it to extremes. There are cases of people overexerting themselves to death. That defeats the whole purpose of keeping fit. Performed moderately exercise to keep us fit and healthy. We do not have to kill ourselves doing it. Neither do we have to get killed for lack of it. Don't forget to check out the story of how a mother shares secret hack on how she lost 84 pounds in 2 weeks. Link in the description.